Nice strong clamp. Ow! Oh, be careful. Look what just showed up. This is the LINCO Ink Backdrop Stand System. It's used for photo shoot backdrops, or you could even use it for a projector screen. I'm gonna put it together outside because it's a lovely day. User's manual, super simple, also has a QR code you can scan to get right to it on your phone. Clamps, nice strong clamp. Ow! Oh, be careful. Be really careful with the clamps. They're very snappy. Look at that, very nice, very nice. It has two of these tripod things that stand on either end. Oh, they snap in here so it doesn't open on its own. That's brilliant. So you just pull them out of these little compliant mechanisms that hold them in place until you need them. Oh, super easy. Tighten her up at whatever height you need. These also unscrew to loosen up and extend. You can make it nice and tall. That's what you want. It feels very sturdy. There appears to be a bag within the bag. It's sewn in. It holds your metal tubes in place inside the bag. That is smart. The two that need to go on the outside have these holes in them in the end. And these two go in the middle because they just have the little clicky together things. Click. We're done with that already, the middle pieces. 4. So easy. Okay, I'm going to show you how I did this because I think it was smart of me. I laid these down and then I put this bar on top and screwed this thing on. Do you see how huge this gets? What? That's how big it is. Okay, let's put it up. It's very light. Okay. Here it is. That's it. That was fast and so easy. This makes a huge backdrop. If you want it this big, then I would just attach cloth or material I've gotten. So I brought it inside really easily. I didn't have to take it apart or anything. I just brought it through the door. Here it is from the back. Hello from the other side. Sorry. My other tip for assembling this is to just make sure everything's nice and tight. Make sure all of these are screwed tightly once you have it adjusted the way you want it. Then you're going to get less wobble. This is not impervious to falling down. Definitely if you plan on using it outside. That's the LINCO Photography Backdrop Set.